Hello and welcome to CENG128, Engineering, Economics and Management. I'm Professor Hisham Said. I'll be your instructor in this course. I hope you and your family are in good condition, enjoying your time together during this tough time we're having, but it's a good thing to reflect on it and get the positives out of it. So I've been a tough week, a tough time, but also enjoyable time to spend with my own family. A little bit about me. So I joined Santa Clara 2012. Before that, I was finishing my PhD in University of Illinois, Urbana-Champaign. After finishing PhD, I did go to Purdue University for postdoc research stuff there. Went back to Egypt for a couple of months and then came back here in 2012. I'm married. I have two beautiful kids and a very lovely wife. I started my career as a structural engineer, but then switched to construction when I saw a lot of developments happening in construction, like building information modeling, and technology is going a lot. Very very interesting time when I started my career. So I switched to construction management. Um, this course is a required course for all civil engineers. You will notice the change in the title and also the scope. So it was originally engineering, economics, and business. We took out the business part and replaced it with management. You would think it's the same business management, but they're different. Business is more like MBA, how you manage a company. So it's a very high level that you will not see right away when you graduate. But management is very critical to learn about, and it will be helpful for you. Both management and economics will be helpful for you when you graduate and either end up in a design firm or consulting firm or even in a construction site working for a contractor. Um, Pay attention to the title. It will be officially done in the bulletin later, but I started the change this year regardless of the bulletin. It's also helpful to the business part was not helpful in terms of the PE and FE exams, but you will have some of the FE tests requiring you to learn about construction management topics, which will cover most of them in this class. The course here, also some changes I made are of course forced on us this year, which is making it a distant learning, completely online course. One big change is there is no midterm. There are no big high stake assignments, meaning that like there is no big exam that like has 30%, 40% of your grade. You just get it one time or one day. So online teaching not requires, but it's better to do it using low stake, more frequent assignments. So you will have a chance to improve in your learning gradually, not being hit by big assignment. So you will see that there is no midterm. The final exam has lower percentage or weight compared to last year's. And now we will have more frequent assignments for you. So like the regular homework, which we call here post lesson assignment, there is a reading assignment before the lesson, there is a weekly quiz, and there is also a group project, very interesting one, that will have a couple of deliverables, not couple, around 7 deliverables over the quarter. So the group project is on Anderson Dam, so it's in Santa Clara, and it's owned by Valley Water District. Very important project, and you will learn a lot in this group project. Also part of the online teaching is that a lot of learning responsibility is on your shoulder as a student. My role is to make the materials available and make it accessible to you and make myself available for questions and help. but it's mostly your responsibility to take care of your own learning. But in Santa Clara here, we're different. I'm making myself more available than any other online program. So you will not notice that in this quarter, and I'm sure you will notice it in other Santa Clara courses. So we have 9 weeks. We don't have 10 weeks. But week one, originally week one now is called week zero. So that will have some assignments for you. It's not like assignments and lectures. It's more like surveys. So I learned about your conditions, your state, any needs you have, and also make sure you're aware of the course requirements and kind of want to learn about you more. So you will have a chance to record a video and introduce yourself. So the process for every lecture or lesson that I will post the course materials and videos parts of, so the videos will not be long, but will be multiple of them for each lesson. You watch the videos, you read the materials, and then there will be a reading assignment before our Zoom meeting times, which are during the scheduled times for that you will find on eCampus for our course. It's Tuesday and Thursday, 5:20 p.m. So please take this seriously, reading and watching videos before our Zoom meetings or these virtual classrooms. And also there are Zoom meetings Monday and Wednesdays for you to ask questions. Not everyone will have attendees, but the virtual classrooms, they are mandatory for you to attend. So I'm looking forward to our first Zoom meeting. It will be on Thursday next week. So this week is week zero. Take a rest, get familiar with online teaching, and fill these surveys and assignments, these activities, not really assignments. And I assure you, I will do my best to help you learn in this class and enjoy it. Me and my colleagues, faculty at Santa Clara, we are really working hard to make this not big difference between what you have experienced so far in the classrooms. But of course, they will be a little different, but we're doing our best to minimize the impact on you. So I will end with that, and I wish you all the best. Stay healthy, resilient, and keep smiling. Thank you.